It's like the 1800s where you can only see like an ankle.
I mean, yeah.
Or like a wrist.
I don't want to say more. I'm just gonna. Do you kiss on the first date?
What's happening? This is very scary.
But you're right. I can see stuff.
Wow, we're meant to be.
Okay,
Well, first off, I'm a weirdo, so you're just gonna have to be down with me watching weird documentaries that are kind of alarming and strange at like 4 in the morning.
I believe in physical touch. Holding the hand, touching the cheeks, like it's.
That's nice.
It's good. I'm not saying the face cheeks.
Welcome back to Date the Dish. This time, the ladies are bringing the heat. 3 single ladies will compete for a date using only their cooking skills. This is Date the Dish, where love's on the menu, but not everyone's getting served.
Hi everybody, my name is Sooraj. I'm new to LA. I'm a little curious about the dating scene and I'm a foodie, so this is exactly where I should be. For starters, definitely should be physically attracted. Somebody who's kind and also has an ambition, has a vision.
Hi.
Oh.
Hey, what's your name?
My name is Sooraj.
Sooraj.
Yes.
My name is Jen.
Jen.
Yes.
I'm Amari.
What does Amari mean?
Love of joy.
That's beautiful. Do you feel you live up to your name?
Oh yeah, I'm a party. I'm literally joy in a bottle.
I've been waiting to meet you. My name is Nikki, but are you ready for this?
I am all ready.
You don't even wonder what I'm making?
I was about to ask it.
Oh, sorry.
You don't have to spank me with that. Don't.
I'm gonna be baking you a cake.
Oh, I love cakes.
You love cake?
I have a sweet jaw. Not a sweet tooth, it's a sweet jaw.
Wow, we're meant to be.
Okay, awesome. Too soon for that. Just kidding, maybe. Where are you from, Jen?
I'm from the Bay Area, actually. Do you know San Francisco?
I know San Francisco, I haven't been there. But
Okay, you should go. It's honestly beautiful. Like, it's so cool. Where are you from?
You can take a wild guess.
India.
How do you know that? Is it my accent? Is it my hand that you might be seeing? It's a little tanned, isn't it?
Wait, also, don't you love this ambience? There's so many like nice candles and stuff. It's very
I like
sexy.
I like it. So look at you. You find this ambience sexy.
Yeah.
It is sexy. I love the color that you're wearing, by the way.
Thank you. I like your arm bracelet. That's all I can see of you. It looks nice. Yeah.
Glad you like it.
You have all your fingers, and that's like really something that I'm always looking for. So yeah.
What is it that Amari is going to make for me?
I did not understand the assignment and thought I was making breakfast, and I found out I was baking. And I'm terrible at baking. So today I am making you strawberry cheesecake cups.
Thank you for lowering my expectations. I
just want you to know what you're getting,
Keep that in mind. Have you ever made that before?
No, this is my first time, and I'm doing it for you. So it should feel real special.
Okay. It's going to be good. I have a feeling.
You have a feeling? You believe in me? Okay.
I believe in you. I'm a foolish optimist.
Okay.
So what are you about to cook?
Buñuelos, which is a Colombian food.
Nikki, where are you from?
I'm from Chile, but my mom is from Colombia. I like trying to make foods from her country.
Your accent is very unique. I haven't heard that much out here. So.
I'm spilling everything.
That's all right. That's all right.
As long as it doesn't get on your side.
Don't let that happen. Just kidding. What kind of a man do you get drawn to?
I like guys that are taller than me in general, that are stronger than me.
They should be.
I met some that are not. That I can
Dating
lift
the wrong
them,
men,
they cannot lift me.
So you want your man to lift you?
Yeah, I want him to be strong.
Okay, wait, I have to focus on baking your cake because I'm your 1950s housewife now.
Okay.
Yeah.
You gotta be able to multitask in this show. So,
Yeah, this cake's
I mean,
gonna be
I'm not
really
expecting
good.
too much from the cake. Okay. How's dating going?
I have been purposely single for a while. I don't know. I think that I'm looking for a very particular kind of person.
Describe that particular kind of a person.
Okay, well, first off, I'm a weirdo, so you're just gonna have to be down with me watching weird documentaries that are kind of alarming and strange at like 4 in the morning. A lot of it is like history. Like, I didn't understand the whole heterosexual man's thing with like the Roman Empire, so I was like, okay, let's find out more about that. So now I've been watching like documentaries on Caesar, and I'm into him. He's a cool dude.
That is different.
I like a man that is adventurous, that's spontaneous, that is ambitious, and that likes to do exercise. What about you?
I like a woman who has a good sense of style. I like a good voice, somebody who is emotionally a little connected to her roots. like EQ.
You're talking about like emotional intelligence?
Yes, yes.
Oh, I like that. Oh my God.
Ask me a random question.
Oh my God. What's your favorite color?
It is actually purple.
That's beautiful. And this
Yes.
curtain is purple.
I don't think I'm wearing a purple underwear though. No, I usually don't wear purple.
Wait, what did you say?
Don't listen to it. I'm glad you
Did
didn't
you
listen
say
to
something
it.
about your purple underwear?
No, I did not.
I'm not wearing purple underwear either.
So do you, okay. So you are on no dating apps from what I can assume.
I go on them and I check things out, and the moment that I get responses, I immediately like clam up and then just shut the app.
What is the weirdest response you've gotten?
There was a picture I posted of myself with no makeup, and then there's a picture I posted of myself with makeup.
Okay.
And I think the man meant it as a compliment to be like, you don't need all that.
So he said that you shouldn't wear makeup.
I found it controlling. I was like, I don't know you. Don't tell me how to live my life.
God, Amari, the poor little guy. Poor guy. I was just trying to compliment you. And what is personally your favorite sweet dish? If it's kept in front of you, you will eat it.
Chilean candies.
Chilean candy.
But
Can
I
you-
also like Colombian. But I feel like the Chileans are difficult to make. More difficult than this one.
What is this called? Why are you making this?
So it's a funfetti cake with chocolate frosting and strawberries on top.
Okay.
I think strawberries are really romantic.
Okay. Yeah. You don't have this in India. You have other kind of fetties. So I mean.
Wait,
know,
what other kinds of fetties are there?
Hey, listen, that's up to your imagination. Okay?
Is there like sad fetty?
India is very colorful.
Yeah.
Right? So
I like smart men. I like thoughtful men.
Okay.
I like men who think of things without you having to tell them just because they thought of you.
Ooh.
I like romantics, and also I need like a guy who's pretty witty because I'm pretty sharp and he's got to keep up. I like a personality. So yeah, if you're funny, if you're down to earth and you're cool and you want to talk to me about like philosophy and history, you're my guy probably.
Why did I pick this dish? Because it connects me with my mom and my mom's culture, and my mom is very special in my life. And also because I had a friend I used to have, she's gone, and she taught me it, so it has a
Emotional
connection to it. Yeah.
I love it. How is the LA dating scene like?
LA.
Going for you? Yeah.
Well, I'm here.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty much not going well for you, is it? It's going to get better though. Now that we are
it's
here.
going really well right now.
Now it is.
Yeah.
What do you think is stronger, free will or destiny?
Ooh, that's a good one.
I would give free will 51% and destiny 49%.
I think that I am an incredibly blessed person, so sometimes, man, destiny really does help. 40% is destiny. and
60 is free will.
Yeah.
I like it.
This is good. Now I'm gonna leave it resting.
Alrighty. Let's turn up the heat with a game of Let's Get Spicy. You'll try to guess the spices I give you by smell. If you get one wrong, you'll have to make a spicy confession.
Ah, what's happening? This is very scary.
Handle the kid.
This is so hard to guess. I
Yeah.
don't. Paprika? What was it?
Turmeric.
I would have never guessed that one.
Be honest. Do you kiss on the first date?
It depends. It could happen, but it depends on the connection.
But have you kissed on the first date?
Yes, I have.
Spicy.
Are you on any of the dating apps?
I was, but I'm not now. The best way to meet a person would be organically.
Yes,
You know?
in the real world.
In the real world.
Or on a dating baking show.
Or on a dating baking show.
Yes.
I don't know if you believe in astrology.
I deeply believe in astrology. I'm not one of those people that always even ask you your sign. I'm somebody who's actually pretty good usually at guessing them.
What's my sign, Amari?
Well, I gotta get to know you a little bit better. I feel like you're an air sign though, or a fire sign. I could be wrong though. If I'm wrong and you're a water sign, I'm gonna say Pisces.
You were right, I'm a Pisces.
Pretty eyes. It doesn't matter what color. Piercing eyes really get me.
Okay.
I like someone who's smart and can kind of like challenge me. What
Challenge
about you?
you?
Yeah.
Physically, I won't say much right now, but I would say lips.
Oh.
I think kissing is an extremely romantic thing. Non-physically, kindness. I think a woman who's kind and who doesn't treat people like shit. And
That's good.
do you treat people like shit, Jen?
No.
I'm just kidding.
No, I don't think I do.
So right now, I am about to build all of my little ingredients that I've been making this entire time into my cup very cutely.
It's time to test our mental connection and play mind mash. We will get 4 chances to try and say the same food at the same time.
Oh, this is gonna be difficult. Okay.
I'll give us a category and then give us a countdown.
Okay.
The category is breakfast. 1, 2, 3, omelette.
Bacon.
Bacon omelette. Bacon omelette. 3, 2, 1, pancake.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
3, 2, 1, waffle.
Oh!
What? Are you serious?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
That was cool.
I did not expect that. Cheers, cheers.
Dating in LA, it's a hard thing.
Why do you say so?
I don't think guys are like very serious in LA. Are you serious?
I wouldn't consider myself a serious personality. I'm very outgoing, but I would say that anything that you do in life, any choice that you make has to be with intention. If it comes to dating, then I would date with intention. I've never had those frivolous things. Maybe because I'm a Pisces. I feel I definitely need a mental, emotional connect.
Okay, so the cake is ready, so I'm gonna go put this in the oven real quick.
Alrighty, I'm
Please
excited.
don't leave.
I won't, I'm here.
Okay, good.
Let's see if we are meant to be with a game of love at first gadget. We'll test out a gadget and see if we both agree to keep it in our hypothetical apartment or toss it.
Okay, so
figure
it's
it out.
garlic.
Yeah.
Oh,
Are you
this is
gonna
cool.
eat the garlic too?
No, because that's bad to do on a first date.
I'd agree to that, yes.
I don't know what this is. It looks like it's like a Y2K thing. I'm gonna like put this in here
Okay.
and then,
What's happening?
wait, I
Oh
think
yeah,
it's like,
I think you gotta put, yeah. See? You want me to help you?
oh no.
No?
Yeah, no, I need help.
I might need help too.
Let's hold it together.
So you basically do it like this,
Okay.
and it minces the garlic.
Oh, that's so cool.
I'd want to keep it. It's
like a
de-stressing.
little- yeah, 100%.
You know?
I would like to keep this as well. It's
Yes,
cute. It's like a
I
little
like
race
it,
car.
I like it. We'll
Okay.
keep it in our hypothetical apartment.
We will keep it.
What's your longest relationship till now?
My longest relationship,
Longest.
it's been 2 years.
Okay, and what happened?
Just like differences, nothing too serious. There was no cheating or anything bad like that. Okay, so these are done, and now I'm gonna put them in the oven.
Now I'm going to be making the best part, the chocolate frosting.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm making it from scratch. I'm putting in almond milk because we're in LA.
Now trust me, it's all in India too.
What's your favorite kind of milk?
Almond milk.
Oh, you like almond milk too?
Yeah.
Now I'm putting in the cocoa powder and a hint of vanilla extract.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna
Be careful.
cut it. Thank you for the sweet reminder. I'm cutting in half, and then I'm gonna put some guava.
It's so nice seeing you do this. It's therapeutic.
Is it? And then the manjar.
The mahal,
Manjar.
manhar. Looks like caramel.
It's not quite. It's very sweet, but I hope you like it.
I have a feeling I will.
Okay, now I'm gonna do the most sensual part. Are you ready?
I am ready for it. Yes.
Can you see it?
You're sounding wrong. Yeah.
Wrong.
Yeah, in a good way.
Oh.
But
I think you like it.
I love it. Focusing on the cake,
Focusing on the cake. Yeah.
that is really nice.
Oh my God. I need words of affirmation.
There is this new thing out here, right? The love languages.
Yeah.
Words
Do you
of
know
affirmation.
yours?
I believe in physical touch and words of affirmation. Yes.
Right. I feel like every guy is like, I like physical touch.
We are men, we can't help it. In a good way, physical touch, holding the hand, touching the cheeks, like it's
That's nice.
it's good. I'm not saying the face cheeks. I'm just kidding. Yeah.
Wait, what'd you say about cheeks?
I'm just saying, that this is a very good cake.
Okay, great. So I'm putting strawberries on.
What's a first impression?
I think he's really funny, and I like that you're allowing me to tease you. You're a good sport, and I appreciate that because I'm very silly.
She's extremely wise, fun. She's got a very deep side to her. Yeah, I like it.
And this is my final product, guys. Ta-da!
The first thing that comes to my mind is uniqueness. Why she wanted to cook this was because of the reminiscence and the memory of her mother and the roots. So she's got that. She's very rooted. There's power to that.
First impressions are very sweet and kind and just like has a really joyful spirit, which I really like.
Okay, is that it? Okay.
Okay, and funny.
I would say that very, very similar. Is extremely romantic and very lively, very joyful, and a good cook / baker.
We'll see.
Gotta be an optimist.
So you did not use your to-go box, but one person has to go. You can only have 2 for the taste test. So who's it gonna be?
What do you think it's gonna be?
It's your decision.
3, 2, 1. Sorry, Nikki.
We're gonna bring her in. You'll still get to meet her.
Is that important? Is the goodbye important?
It's
The
important.
awkward goodbye?
Girls need closure.
God. Oh, hello, Nikki.
Oh, hey.
Do you hate me a little bit?
Just a little bit.
Not much.
No, I'm feeling good. It was very nice meeting you, and it was a very fun experience.
You've got great dimples.
Thank you.
Now I feel bad. You'll be missed.
It was very nice.
Take care of yourself, okay?
Thank you.
Alrighty.
Bye.
This is what I was waiting for, all right? Okay, let's try this first. That's good. Little claps for Jen. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Wow,
Right?
amazing.
And now it's time for me to have whipped cream.
Okay,
Right?
yeah.
Not that bad, Amari. Especially for the first time that you were baking this.
Thank you.
One last.
Oh.
This is very tough because both of them are very nice and both of you are very nice. I had great conversations with both of them. Very different conversations, but very, very nice. So I'm a little torn. I think they're as different as chalk and cheese, right? I haven't had this, it's very different. This is something different in itself too. So yeah, something very unique for me, something that I've had but not had, so I love it. So I'm gonna make the pick now, and apologies in advance, but as difficult as it was, sorry, Amari.
That's
Yeah.
fair.
That's not fair at all.
Hi.
Can I take my decision back?
Nice to meet you
Nice to meet you.
officially.
I can stand. It's not chivalrous, you know.
It's okay.
Forgive me,
It's okay.
please. Do you hate me a little bit?
No.
Not even 1%?
Not at all. You're handsome,
Yeah.
yeah. Beautiful hair too. It's so coiffed.
Oh, God,
yes.
she's making me blush. I do feel bad about the decision, but the decision has been made. So
That's okay.
what can one do but surrender?
I've been voted off the island. It's okay. I understand.
No, listen. Take care of yourself, okay? Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Sooraj, are you ready to meet Jen?
Oh, yes, I am.
Here we go.
Oh, hello.
Hi.
Jen, how are you? Look at you, all smiles.
Nice to meet you.
How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah. I think the connection that we had was a lot of lighthearted bantering. I love the idea of the picnic, you know?
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Is this the final four?
Yes.
Shout out.
Well, this
I
was
won.
good.
I'm like so hungry.
Real good.